Welcome back, guys. So now we are going to start with a new session. Again, continuing with the previous one, we had uploaded two resumes, and now again I'm going to start with this new link that is our ChatGPT HR agent. And sorry. Okay, so now again we have opened this new tab and we'll understand that whether does it remember the resumes we have uploaded previously, and we say hello as usual. Now it is asking me again for a guided setup or work freely. The most important thing is guided setup means there are so simple formats and procedures which how the HR agent works on a daily basis. So you can go down with it when you are unknown with the system, or if you want to work freely, it is very simple and you can work freely by just giving it a command, the free mode like add employees or update employee details, promote employees, attendance. There are several things. There are payrolls, salary calculation, hiring options, attendance options, performance options. So these are the options. Now, coming back to the topic, we'll now try to upload with the same resume. That is, you remember that we have uploaded Mr. Arav Mehta's resume, and I'm going to go down with again uploading the same resume, and I'll press enter. So it is now checking the backend for the resume, that whether the resume is available at the moment or not, and see it is showing that this candidate already exists in the system. So this is simple, and very most important thing over here is it will not create any kind of duplicate entries. Now, creating a duplicate entries means creating a large amount of database without any structure. This is an intelligent HR system which does not allow duplications. But in this case, if Mr. Arav Mehta's resume would be added after a year and he might have some new progress, like he changed a company or something like that, the system would update the remaining details which are not available currently in the system and give you a proper performance analysis. Now I'll go ahead and add other few of the more resumes. After adding those resumes, now see Dev Patel, we have not added this resume, and now we are adding a new resume to it. And when I say confirm, it is going to the backend, understand, analyzing the process, understanding the whole structure. Now the candidate is added successfully. Resume source, candidate summary is Dev Patel or observation, 6+ years in sales experience, and has got a good knowledge. And it's the recommended no, recommended suitable roles are inside sales manager, sales operation lead, and so current. This is a testing system, so we are not describing all the different roles and everything. This is the minimum amount of test resumes we have created and by your own self. These are all mock resumes. So you can go down with the when a company is using the HR system, they can have multiple number of resumes. I say n number of resumes working around in the system. Approximately the one resume would take around 25 kbs of data system and not more than that. So I don't think we can say that approximate 1 GB of space can accommodate up to 40,000 to 50,000 resumes, which is right. I can say 100% more than enough for a single level company. 1 GB of space, and if it is goes down go to if it goes down with 4 to 5 GBs, that means more than a lakh or 2 lakhs 3 lakhs resumes, and the data is being stored in a specific format so that the resumes are divided according to their positions and everything. So every time the whole data is not scanned, now the intelligence of the system is worked down to the current roles of the people, and the most important thing is they are scanning the whole resume. the system is scanning your resume. So thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video talking about the hiring next process. And until then, I'll upload the remaining resumes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.